Hello everyone. In video 103, I'm going to talk about how we can create a mini dashboard, and I'm going to add another report onto the previous report that we're going to create, we have created. This time, I'm going to create a report to show the sales before and after discount. I'm going to write the formula to calculate the total discount given. Then I want to know the percentage of the discount given. So let's see how we can write formula within pivot table. So let's take a look. Now, this is what we have created in our previous video. We have created a mini dashboard that which is only one report and one chart. But this time, I'm going to create another one. So I'm going to make my column Q slightly smaller because I'm just going to put the report next door. And I'm going to highlight this whole pivot table, copy it, and paste it here. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show the fill list. I'm going to remove everything except the date. I'm going to put a date here. So you notice that this is the sales after discount. So I'm going to put there sales after this. So I put that disc for the discount. There you go. Now I have that after discount. So I'm going to add another one, which is here before discount. I'm going to put it right on top of this. Then I have a column here that says sales before discount. Sales before disc, DISC. So I have sales before discount. So how do I know how much discount was given? Instead of mentally calculating it, I'm going to put another column in column U and then writing a formula within pivot table. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to click, okay, let me just close this for now. I'm going to click this particular number, any number actually. Just go to the pivot table, analyze. I'm going to write something called field items. I'm going to write a calculated field. So when I do this calculated field, all I need to do is just tell them that this one is actually the total discount. So the total discount is going to be counted from the before discount minus the after discount. So I will take just a normal mathematic minus, and I will click modify. All right. Okay, then I got it. Now, what I'm going to do now is, okay, it should be automated, but somehow it's not there. So I'm going to put a total discount. I'm going to down here. There you go. So let me just call this one as total disc. Total disc. Right? This is the total discount. Now, in order to do that, I can write another formula that will calculate the total discount. Now, let me just go and delete this. I've done this prior to the class, prior to this presentation. Let me just delete that. I'm going to do it again. So there you go. It's not there. How I'm going to do it is I'm just going to calculate the field. But this time, I'm going to put here as the percentage of discount. UNT percentage of discount. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the column called total discount and I'm going to divide it by the before discount. So when I click that add in, right, it should be registered here. And now I'm going to put this, I'm going to put in the formatting. So let's go to the home ribbon, click the percentage. There you go. This is the percentage of discount that is given. So I'm going to put here percent DISC, percent disc. So what I am demonstrating in this particular video here is I can actually build calculation within pivot table, which means I can write formula. All you need to do is just make sure you're in your pivot table. Just go to this thing called field item and sets, click the calculated fields, and you can start writing your formula. All right, so I hope you like this video, and please do not write the formula outside of that pivot table. This is still considered as a pivot table. Now, one thing before I continue is that I would like to disconnect this particular report from the slicer, because if I click the slicer, the number will change, and I do not want that. I want to keep this as it is, so I'm going to right click this. Oh, sorry, right click the wrong place. I'm going to right click at my slicer. Then I'll go to the report connection. I'll tell them, please don't touch my pivot, my second pivot table here. So whenever I click, it does not change anything in my second report. So there are times where you need the report to be modified. There are times where you don't need the report to be filtered. So can disconnect this slicer from any of the report that you do not want it to be affecting. All right. So I hope you like this video. Now in my next video, I will build another chart. This time I will build a dual axis chart and will work with some formatting to make it looks presentable. So stay tuned for my next video. Like in this video, I talk about how do you create a report, how do you create a calculation. But in the next video, in video 104, I'm going to create another chart. And from that chart, I'm going to prepare a two-axis chart. All right, so stay tuned. Please tell everybody about the video, and please like and share and subscribe to my YouTube if you have not done so. So thank you so much. I will see you in my video 104 when I'm going to show you how to build a two-axis chart. Thank you so much, and I'll see